Hey guys, so I'm at Scarowinds and I'm here to get some, here's the wall, I'm here to get some construction footage for Copperhead Strike, the first double launch coaster in the Carolinas. Pretty exciting. But here to get some construction footage, so let's hop right into it. So I'm going to start down here. I'm just going to show all of the peepholes, so if you don't live locally, you can get a good view of construction. You have anything about taking a trip next year or something. So, okay, so first people right up here. Oh, right here, you can kind of see a little there. Next up, we got this. Okay, can I kind of go over here? Then we got another peephole over here where you can see a lot more. So yeah, construction looks to be going good. I'm actually going to snap a picture real quick. There we go. Now we can come over through here, all these teasers. Here's the Big Bird Farm sign. And then these are all Centurion Motor Oil, teasers, Miami River Lumber. Oh, wait, here's people. English, right? So mostly you just see a tree here, but still, kind of cool. Okay, and then you got here. This is a good one. You can get quite a good view here. Same here. See, there's a little like swampy area there. Little construction hut there. And then down here, you can see quite a bit too. You can see those cranes back there. And then here, you may even see a wooden post. But there's still some cranes. It's pretty cool. And okay, we've got two more peepholes. There you go. And here. And that's mostly just tree. And there's all these teasers here. If you need to know about these, you can watch some of my teaser videos. I never did one like properly on these poster teasers, but I did do Granny's Epic Sequel, which is where the bulk of the facts were. So yeah, that's it for this video. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. See you next video. I just got finished doing my Copperhead Strike video, and I found out that there is Dead Man's Landing being done here. So there's a pirate in a cage. It's like Caribbean architecture theme, and it's really cool looking actually. Here, let's come over here. So there's like all this nice architecture. And this is all set up for Scarowinds. So it's gonna be cool. We have this huge facade, and I think when it's done, it's gonna be like a giant pirate ship in it. And there's some seating over here. So yeah, you can see all this. I think it's pretty cool.
Are you vlogging?
This whole Dead Man's Landing game. So yeah. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. So yeah, bye.